Hey ladies! Are you tired of dealing with the hassle of hair waxing? Well, have no fear because we have a solution for you. Have you heard of the amazing IPL hair removal? It's affordable, effective, and will save you thousands of dollars on those expensive spa treatments. Say goodbye to those pesky hairs with our wax. Get the spa-style wax in the comfort of your own home. Say hello to smooth skin and goodbye to hair waxing problems. Get it today with 10% discount code. Link in description and comment below.